Well, a lot of us are always on the hunt for ways to appear more trim or maybe tighten up that jawline. And luckily, there are non-surgical options. So, Dr. Jones, let's talk about that.
Yeah, a lot of patients come to us after first exploring surgery, and they realize that these surgical options, although they can deliver dramatic results, they also come at a cost. And it's not just a financial cost. It's that a lot of these surgeries have big incisions. They have a lot of downtime in recovery, but also they're done under general anesthesia, and a lot of that is not attractive to patients.
I know a lot of people are apprehensive going into surgery, so it's great to hear that there are these options.
Absolutely. So we've partnered with InMode to deliver a minimally invasive technique that uses radio frequency to both tighten the skin and melt fat, and it's called BodyTite and FaceTite. In the body, we use radio frequency assisted liposuction to both melt the fat but also to remove the fat. So traditional liposuction, after you remove the fat, you're left with skin that just falls and sags. Mm-hmm. With this technology, we're able to not just melt and remove the fat, but also to help tighten the skin so that the patient has the results that they want, which is both removal of the fat but also tightening of the skin at the same time.
That's truly life-changing.
Absolutely. And then we can use a FaceTite technique to both chisel the jawline, to remove submental fat, and to tighten the skin in the face. So the same technology which heats uniformly the subdermis and dermis, which gives a tightening of the skin while at the same time we can remove fat. We do it all through very small incisions. Often doesn't even need a stitch afterwards, particularly here in the face.
Wow. Okay. And speaking of truly non-invasive, there are options for those people as well. So Marissa, let's touch on that.
Yeah, we actually have multiple modalities that we use in conjunction with FaceTite and BodyTite to give patients the best results. One of them being the Morpheus Body and our Evolve, which we have somebody next door having a treatment if you guys want to check it out.
Let's do it. Let's go. I'm here with Shoni, and we are talking about a technology that I wasn't familiar with before. It's called Evolve, and can you kind of explain it for the viewers?
Yeah, so Evolve Transform is a minimally invasive, painless, completely hands-free body contouring device treatment that uses bipolar radio frequency heat and electrical muscle stimulation to trim fat, tone muscle, and remodel skin.
Wow, that's amazing. It does all of that. And this is obviously what our lovely model is doing, or undergoing, right?
Yeah, it does all of that in one treatment.
Wow, that's impressive. And of course, a lot of people are familiar with Coolsculpting. They might have heard of it, but how does this differ from that?
Yes, so Coolsculpting uses a very cold temperature delivered to the fat cells to kind of freeze and kill off those fat cells. And with that, we're finding the risk of freezing the healthy tissues and causing contour irregularities. With Evolve Transform, we're using heat, so the risk of having contour irregularities is far subsided.
Incredible. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to head to Alora now, who is talking about some really exciting new technology.